Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got a somewhat rare vintage Coach bag to share with you today. So this is the Vintage Coach Club Satchel, and I actually had to do quite a bit of searching and kind of asking around in the community. My friend Dave kind of helped me a little bit find this bag because I couldn't even figure out what the name was because there's just not a lot of them that I could find out there, so that's why I think it's somewhat rare. So shout out to Dave, thanks for helping me kind of narrow down which bag it is. We did figure out that it is the Club Satchel and the style number was 9885. And this specific bag is in the color navy, and I think it's from probably the late 80s to early 90s based on the style of Creed, and this one was made in the US. So as you can see, it's a satchel style bag with these shorter straps, and here's what the front looks like. It does have a one-sided hang tag. So here's what the side looks like. And then here's the other side. It looks about the same as the front. And then here's the other side. And then this is what the bottom looks like. It does have these kind of indented stitching here like you see on the convertible clutch bags. So that's kind of a unique touch. Has it on both sides, so that's pretty cool. And then I'll go ahead and show you. Here's the zipper. It does have a fairly large zipper pull made out of leather and a nice large brass zipper. So here's what the inside of the bag looks like, so you can kind of see how much space it has. And then it does have a pull-out slip pocket here with the Creed. So here's the Creed. And then this little bullseye mark means that it was sold at a factory store, so it would have been probably slightly discounted. And then it's got this little pocket here for some extra storage space. But anyway, that's what the Club Satchel looks like. It's a cute small, medium to small size satchel bag. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will, of course, put a link to the Etsy listing below if you guys wanted to check out the bag further. And I will, of course, like always, put all the details that I mentioned for this bag in the description bar as well. But otherwise, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.